Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. I like to tell everyone ADA is now officially my largest holding in terms of dollar value. It has surpassed my VET holdings value because ADA has grown so much. It's not that VET's done bad, but ADA has grown much more. I actually bought a lot more VET dollars worth than ADA a little bit more than a year ago. I've been hanging on to VET and ADA both for about probably like almost a year and a half each without actually trading or selling. That's part of that is for capital gains tax purposes, but otherwise I've just felt like those are both good investments. And even though both have appreciated a lot in that year or so, ADA has actually outgained VET by a large amount, and now by dollar value, ADA is my biggest investment. So let's actually take a gauge at how much these have actually increased compared to Bitcoin, which is like the measuring stick that we actually use. Bitcoin price from 365 days ago, this is from CoinGecko, 365 days ago to today has increased roughly 318%. It's a little bit more than tripled. VET from a year ago today has actually increased 373%, so almost 4x. So like, despite a lot of people complaining in my chat that VET hasn't moving, it's actually moved. It's actually increased more than BTC over the last year, last 365 days. However, if you look at Cardano, why you think it's been soaring, it's actually increased 928% over the last year. So it has it has almost triple BTC's gains, and it's 2.5x VET's gains. That's why we say it's outgained them by a lot. Because I did actually put slightly over twice as much money in VET than ADA about a year ago, but now since ADA has grown so much, it has easily outpaced VET and has become my largest holding. Now they're still pretty close in terms of dollar value, and if VET has a run, it'll outpace ADA again. But ADA, like out of the big assets, has easily been my highest earning asset. But both VET and ADA since 365 days ago has actually outpaced BTC by fair large amounts. And I don't know if they've actually outpaced ETH, but they've definitely outpaced BTC. So both of them have done well, but ADA has just done better. I expect ADA to go even more. What I actually expect ADA, I hope ADA gets past $1. That's kind of my sell point where I will sell it and wait for it to retrace so I can buy back at a lower price, either $1 or $1.33. I'm saying $1.33 because that's ADA's last all-time high, and I feel like there might be some resistance there. Anyways, I do believe this pump is somewhat inspired by the African government contract news with Ethiopia, but also maybe like some of the Satoshi Street Bets people have taken advantage of that and poured their money into ADA for right now. But it is doing extremely well. I do expect it to retrace at some time because coins don't go up forever. And I think $1 or $1.33 is probably a good space for it to retrace a little bit before going back up. If I do sell like $1, I won't sell all my ADA. I'll sell like 50% of the ADA and wait for it to retrace to about 70 cents or so, where I expect it to recollect and go back up. That will give me another couple of thousand coins, or a couple of tens of thousands of coins, or thousands of coins, or I haven't really done the calculation yet, for ADA to go up even further, because I want more ADA, but I do want to swing trade to get more ADA. I won't be swing trading ADA into USD. Most likely, if I do end up swing trading, I'll be swing trading ADA into BTC, because at this bull market moment, I'm not willing to risk swing trading it into USD and then not getting any of the bull market run when it actually happens. I'm only willing to swing trade into BTC, where BTC and ADA will go up together. I know they'll drop together, but if ADA has a pullback, BTC won't be affected as much, and I will be able to get more ADA anyway. So looking at $1 or $1.33 as my sell point for right now, that doesn't mean I'm leaving ADA altogether. It just means I'm like selling probably 50% of my stack and then waiting for ADA to retrace so I can buy back in for a cheaper price. So that is what I plan to do. That's why ADA has become my biggest asset right now, and it's been doing really great, more than 9x since 365 days ago. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.